Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsiejayy, and today I am showing you how to achieve this easy beginner friendly makeup look. Like, this look was so simple, so easy, anybody could do it. I promise you. Like, if you're nervous about doing your makeup, girl, you can do it. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and set your notifications so that you won't miss a slay with your girl Chelsiejayy. I love you all so much, and let's just go ahead and get into the look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsiejayy, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I really don't even know what we're doing, girl. I just decided to pull out my stuff and film. So hopefully, I'm still working on my setup, like I said in my last video. I think it's a little bit better than last time. So let me know in the comment section, how are you liking like the distance? Because last time we was like, y'all was this close to me, which is cool. But yeah, I just wanted to create some distance. Okay, so I already done my brows off camera, and the next thing I'm gonna do is just prep my eyes. I think I'm gonna do just like, I don't think I'm gonna go too serious with the makeup today. I know I need to do, like, I'm gonna do a cut crease series on my channel as well. So let me know if there's something that you want to see from me in the future. I think I'm gonna start that next week. Like, so I'm just gonna break down the basics of how to do a cut crease, because a lot of people either don't know or they just need some extra tips. So that's what I'm gonna do for next week. But this week we're gonna keep it real simple, girl. Not gonna do too much. I'm probably gonna start with my face first because I'm not gonna do too much on the eyes. So let's just go ahead and get it started. I'm gonna take the Milk moisturizer, and I'm just going to moisturize my face before I apply my foundation. Always want to make sure that you moisturize, girl. Like, no matter how oily your skin is, moisturize. Like, it's so important. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try this Ula Henritskin. Girl, I can't pronounce that. But I'm gonna take this little brightening cream, and I'm just gonna apply it. I just like the way it feels on my skin. I don't know, I'm not sure if it's doing anything crazy or if it's really working, but girl, I just like the way it feels. Yeah, we're just gonna apply that under our base. Now we're ready for our foundation. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I've been loving this a lot lately. I don't know about y'all, but it's really nice. And I just like to mix it whenever I use it. It is a hydrating foundation, so if you're super oily, then you would definitely need to use a mattifying primer or something like that to go under your foundation. But if you're like dry and oily, then you could definitely use this. Today I'm going to be mixing it with the Anastasia foundation. I'm going to mix it together because I just like the fact that the Anastasia 470 is a little bit too dark for me, and this is like too light. It's not too light, but it's not as dark as I want it to be. I like to mix my foundations. So please don't judge me, girl. Like, I know I need to clean my brushes. This is the Morphe E6 brush that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to use that to just blend everything out onto the skin. I really like this brush because it's like flat, but it's not like you know, some brushes are like flat and stiff. It's not like that. So it's perfect for blending out foundation. So that's what I'm going to use today to blend out everything. So the concealer that I'm going to be using today is going to be two different ones. I think I'm going to use the milkmakeup concealer. And like I said before in my last video, like, the applicator is really small, like super small, girl. Like, it's not big at all. This is in the shade medium, I want to say. So you don't get much product at all when you're using this. But it is like full coverage, but it's drying, if that makes sense. So it dries really fast. So just keep that in mind too whenever you're using it. Next, I'm going to go on top with the Makeup Obsession concealer. This is in the shade 12. First thing that I'm going to use is my Real Techniques brush. Y'all, I promise the next time I come on here, my brushes will be clean. Like, I promise, girl. I'm just going to use this Real Techniques blending brush to blend everything out at first. And then I'll go back in with my beauty sponge and just blend everything out. And that's just going to seal the look together. But, yeah. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm the only one who be making like crazy faces. Like I be making so many crazy faces when I'm doing my makeup. Like, but just know, like, your girl be looking crazy. For my contour stick, I'm going to use the foundation, the Anastasia foundation stick. This is in the shade Walnut, and I'm going to apply that directly onto my forehead and on the upper part of my cheeks. To set my face, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty banana bread powder, and then I'm just going to mix it with the Mercier honey powder as well. Y'all, oh my gosh, look how much powder I put in my thing. Wow. Okay, good job, Chels. I'm going to go ahead and set that under eye. I'm going to be using this little beauty powder puff that I got from the beauty supply store. Next, I'm taking the translucent honey powder, and this is from Mercier. I don't know why it looks like the powder is sitting on top of my face, because we definitely don't want that. This is my favorite palette by Anastasia. The first brush I'm going to be using today is my A30 brush. This is an Anastasia brush as well. I'm going into this shade right here to start. So I'm going to use that as a transition shade for the look. But before I get started, I'm going to take the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. Just a little bit, because the eyes are not going to be too crazy. So we're going to just do a little. I'm mixing it with the concealer that's on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to blend it out onto my lid. I don't know how some days, like, you really be feeling your makeup, and then some days it's like, what was I thinking? Today's one of those days. It's like, what was I thinking? I'm not feeling my brows, but hey, we're gonna make it work. So I'm taking that shadow and I'm bringing it up into my contour for my nose. I'm just bringing it all together, and that's what you want to do. Like, you want to bring it together. Okay guys, so my camera did cut off. Like I said before, I'm getting used to this whole thing, so this is really new for me. So just bear with me if the scenery changes or if the angles change. It's because I'm just trying to get my life together, okay? Guys, so for my lips, I'm gonna take the ColourPop BFF3. Y'all know this is my jam, this is my girl, this is my go-to. Like when I don't have nothing else, like I know, okay, I know that she's gonna work for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna use that, and then the Sweet Tea liner, that will be from Morphe. If you're on a budget and you're looking for something affordable, this is a go-to. So now I'm going to use this to line up my lips as well. And my neighbors are being extra loud right now. Like, your girl is filming, okay? She has a camera, okay? Be quiet. Be quiet. Like, we're working in here. Next, I'm going to go in with Blankety. This is from MAC. And I'm just going to take that as my lip color for today. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Diamond Milk. This is like, first of all, Rihanna, listen. The packaging is always top tier, okay? This is the Becca Blush Trio palette. I love this palette. Y'all know I talk about it in every video. And I'm going to go in with that middle shade. And I'm going to use that blush. And just a little bit of the other one. And that's just going to secure the look. Look, I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use the Codley. I still don't know the pronunciation of this girl. It's like, I don't know. So, I'm going to use this to set my face. I'm also going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face as well. So that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I don't know what I'm going to call it. Like my easy go-to makeup look. It's really not even my go-to. I don't know. Something easy and simple for beginners that you can just put on a nice face and just be flawless. And that's all we want to have. It's just like a nice, easy, everyday type face. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, girl, go ahead and like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not, go ahead and subscribe right now. Subscribe to your girl, okay? Because she's pumping out the content. If you finish the end of this video, say, girl, face is snatched, period. Okay, I want you to say it just like that. If you watch the whole video, girl, that's how I'll know that you my sis. If you watch the whole video, say face is snatched, and that's just that on that. Okay, follow your girl on Instagram too at Chelsiejayy, so that way you won't miss any looks there either. Everything will be linked in the description box. The products that I use, I'll make sure that I include them in the description box for you too. Yeah, so I think that's it. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.